afternoon, everyone. On the behalf of Alumni Meet 2022, for this program, we have Honorable Vice President of Sri Vishweshwar Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Honorable Prabhakarji Kapse Sir, Secretary of SVSPM, Honorable Basarajji Dhareshiva Sir, Principal of Shulingeshwar College of Pharmacy, Vishweshwar Dharashiva Sir, all the respective head of the departments, all the professors, dear students, and most beloved, all the alumni of Shulingeshwar College of Pharmacy and W.G. Rao Deshmukh D Pharmacy College. See, overall, if you see the journey of Shulingeshwar and W.G. Rao Deshmukh D Pharmacy College, Shulingeshwar started in 2004 and W.G. Rao Deshmukh D Pharmacy started in 2006. So, by considering both the colleges, we have around about 14 batches. We have 14 batches alumni from Shulingeshwar College of Pharmacy and W.G. Rao Deshmukh D Pharmacy that indicate the seniority of both the colleges. As most honest to share, dedicated to all the alumni, आप आए तो बहारों ने लुटाई खुशबू, आप आए तो बहारों ने लुटाई खुशबू, फूल तो फूल थे, फूल तो फूल थे, कांटों से भी आई खुशबू. Listen everyone, actually alumni meet has been planned before 2 years, but due to the pandemic it was not possible. We have a waiting period of 2 years, and after immediate pandemic we have started to organize this pandemic. We have decided to organize this Alumni Meet 2022. Another important thing, that what is the importance? So many existing students are here. To them actually I would like to say that what is the importance of Alumni Meet? See, actually it creates a special relationship between the existing students and the founder and all the earlier students. What kind of relationship it can establish? See, today actually whenever we were coming from Latur, I am remembering an incident said by the Dhumma sir. What Dhumma sir said, sir, when I immediately after the young pharma, when I went to one R&D unit for the interview, it was a alkane. And whenever he said that I am a student of Maharashtra College of Pharmacy, Nilanga, MCP, the way by which actually the manager he has treated, it was totally different. He asked around about 8 questions. Before he introduced himself with the name of the college, 4 questions were found to be very difficult and tough. The moment he said that I am from MCP, the candidate who were taking an interview, he belongs to the same college, he was an alumni of MCP, and after that the way by which he got treatment, it was changed. What is that? That is the impact of alumni. We are one family. When we can come to know, most of the family members, they are throughout the world. But when exactly, this is the platform where we can meet to each other. Another thing, so many students, founder students are there, rest of the another students are there. The moment we started Shulingeshwar and W.G. Rao Deshmukh D Pharmacy College, the scenario was very different. Today you can see the hostel, again with attached facilities. But whenever the first hostel was there, founder batch, first and second batch students are there. ज्यावेळेस आपल्या स्वतःच्या बेडवर विद्यार्थ्याला जावं लागायचं, ॲटलिस्ट 14-15 बेडवर पाय ठेवून जायचं आणि स्वतःचं बेड गाठायचं. दिस वॉज द सिनॅरिओ. नाउ ॲक्च्युअली इट हॅज बीन चेंज, अँड दिस इज व्हॉट a journey of Shulingeshwar and W.G. Rao Deshmukh D Pharmacy. We remember that. I would like to say that Shulingeshwarच्या आणि W.G. Rao Deshmukhच्या ह्या प्रवासामध्ये असंख्य असे अडथळे आलेत. प्रवास करत असताना, यशस्वीतेचा प्रवास करत असताना जेवढे दगड आलेत, तुम्हाला सांगतो, शिवलिंगेश्वर आणि दगडूजीरावने त्या दगडावर स्वतः उभं राहून आपली उंची वाढवली आणि आज हे कॅम्पस त्याचं प्रतीक आहे. जर कोणी शिवलिंगेश्वर आणि दगडूजीराव देशमुखचा प्रवास विचारला आणि 2 शब्दात जर सांगायचं असेल तर मी असं सांगेल की संघर्षाकडून समृद्धीकडे. येस, वी आर हिअर today. We found to be satisfactory. Why? Because in this journey I would like to show the moment you left Shivlingeshwar, what was it and what is now. During this journey it was only a B.Pharm we started, then we have a diploma. Later on we have achieved a first private Pharm D college, that is Pharm D with the name of Shivlingeshwar only. After that, first Pharm D, most of the even government college they don't have this unit, Pharm D PB, that is post baccalaureate. And recently in the last year we got Shivlingeshwar diploma in pharmacy. We have 2 diplomas, one with Dagdujirao Deshmukh and another with Shivlingeshwar College of Pharmacy, and recently Yum Pharma in pharmaceutics, at the same time Yum Pharma in the pharmaceutical chemistry. We remember College of Pharmacy मध्ये research center असेल. मी सांगितलं प्रवासात असंख्य अशा अडचणी होत्या, प्रत्येक अडचणीला आपण खूप चांगल्या रीतीने असं सामना केलो. ठीक आहे. रिलेटेड विथ दॅट आय वुड लाईक टू डेडिकेट 2 lines फॉर द जर्नी ऑफ शिवलिंगेश्वर. Wherever the difficulty was there, we found opportunity there. That share is dedicated to शिवलिंगेश्वर. ज्यावेळेस संकट होती आणि चारी तऱ्हेनं संकट मात करत होती, घात करत होती, त्यावेळेस व्हाट टाइप ऑफ आंसर दैट शिवलिंगेश्वर हैज गिवन. तू हर तरफ से मेरा सब्र आजमा ले. सब्र में संयम, पेशेंस. तू हर तरफ से मेरा सब्र आजमा ले, तेरे हर सितम से हमें नए हौसले मिले हैं. तेरे हर सितम से हमें नए हौसले मिले हैं. लिसन एवरीवन, द मोमेंट वी स्टार्टेड जर्नी, आवर फर्स्ट बैच, our pioneer batch student Mr. Harshanand Swami, he grabbed the gold medal for the Shivlingeshwar College of Pharmacy. From our Dagdujirao Deshmukh D Pharmacy College also, one state topper we have. After that we have a list of toppers, we have a list of gold medalists, we have a list of university toppers and state toppers. So during this journey we faced the tough time, we found every difficulty, we converted that difficulty into what every opportunity. I would like to say a few lines especially for all the alumni. We wish you a patience and courage to deal with the conflict. Educational life संपलेली आहे, प्रोफेशनल लाईफ चालू झालेली आहे. प्रोफेशनल लाईफमध्ये खूप सारे असे संघर्षमय स्थिती आलेल्या आहेत. त्या संघर्षमय स्थितीचा खूप चांगल्या रीतीने तुम्ही सामना करावा. एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवावी की एखादं इन्स्टिट्यूट आहे त्याची डेव्हलपमेंट तिथल्या टीचिंग फॅकल्टी किंवा ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशनवर नसून त्या इन्स्टिट्यूटचं नावलौकिक, त्या इन्स्टिट्यूटचं फेम हे कोणामुळे होत असेल तर दे आर नथिंग बट द ऑल ॲल्युमिनीज. सो वी आर ऑलवेज प्राऊड ऑफ यू. With respect to the time constraint and all the things, by saying one more share dedicated to all the alumni of Dagdujirao Deshmukh D Pharmacy and Shivlingeshwar College of Pharmacy, I would like to conclude. So, dear all alumni, listen with special care. Whatever the education that you wanted to take, that you have achieved, whatever the profession, whatever the field that you wanted to choose, you already chosen. ठीक है? So it is relevant with that only. जब अपना नसीब खुद लिखा है तो, जब अपना नसीब खुद लिखा है तो दुनिया से शिकवा क्या करना. जब अपना नसीब खुद लिखा है तो दुनिया से शिकवा क्या करना. जब समंदर से उलझ बैठे हैं, जब समंदर से उलझ बैठे हैं तो अब लहरों से क्या डरना. So thank you very much everyone. Be bold enough and be a proud alumni of Shivlingeshwar as well as Dagdujirao Deshmukh D Pharmacy College. Thank you very much principal, management and all for giving me an opportunity to produce my preface. Thank you very much and all the very best.